Hello everyone, this is BSc second year lecture, that is real analysis. Yesterday we have discussed what is meant by supremum, what is meant by infimum, and the properties of supremum and infimum. If the set is bounded above, then supremum exists. If set is not bounded above, then supremum of the set does not exist. If the set is bounded below, then its infimum exists. If the set is not bounded below, then its infimum does not exist. Now, if the set is bounded, then both supremum and infimum exist. Now, supremum of a set, if it is exists, then it is unique. Infimum of a set, if it is exists, then it is unique. Now, today I am going to give you some examples. So, first example. First, set of natural numbers is bounded below but not bounded above. आपल्याला माहित आहे आपण सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर्स कसं डिनोट करतो, कॅपिटल एन. स्टार्ट कुठून होतं, 1 पासून 2 3 4 5 6 डॉट 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 डॉट. Set of natural numbers is an infinite set. In the set of natural numbers there are infinite number of elements. So the lower bound of this set is 1. Upper bound does not exist. So it is not bounded above, but set of natural numbers is bounded. Set of natural numbers is bounded below. Therefore upper bound does not exist. Therefore n is not bounded above. So 5, it is not bounded above, therefore its supremum does not exist. Supremum of n does not exist. Now 6, infimum of n is 1. Because it is bounded below, therefore its infimum must exist. So infimum of a set of natural numbers is 1. So we have discussed some properties of natural numbers. It is bounded below but not bounded above. Bounded below means lower bound exists, and lower bound is 1. Also infimum of a set of natural numbers is 1, and 1 belongs to n. Infimum of n is equal to 1, which belongs to the set n. So it is a least element. Smallest element of n is 1. Smallest element of set of natural numbers is 1. Smallest element exists. Largest elements of the set, greatest elements of the set of natural numbers does not exist. Now second, set of integers, set of rational numbers and set of real numbers च्या प्रॉपर्टीज चेक करायच्यात आपल्याला. ते बाउंडेड अबव असतात का, बाउंडेड बिलो असतो का, सुप्रीमम एक्झिस्ट होतो का, इन्फिमम एक्झिस्ट होतो का. नाव सेट ऑफ इंटिजर्स कसं दाखवतो आपण, डॉट 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 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 dot dot dot, right. सेट ऑफ रॅशनल नंबर्स कसं दाखवतो, p भागिले q, p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. Set of real numbers, it is a union of set of rational and set of irrationals. So this set is not bounded below, not bounded above. Set of integers is not bounded below, not bounded above. Therefore its infimum and supremum does not exist. So now set of rational numbers is not bounded below, not bounded above. Set of rational numbers is not bounded below, not bounded above. Therefore its infimum does not exist, supremum does not exist. Now set of real numbers is not bounded above, it is not bounded below. Therefore its supremum and infimum does not exist. Also we can say that I is a subset of q, q is a subset of r. So this set is not bounded, automatically q is not bounded. If these two are not bounded, then r is also not bounded. Now example number 3. Example number 3. Consider a set S. X belongs to R such that x is greater than 0. पहिल्यांदा हा सेट कसा आहे हे समजून घ्या. x belongs to R, x is greater than 0. This set is nothing but set of all positive real numbers. Set of all positive real numbers. Set of all positive real numbers. Now this set can also be written as 0 to infinity, because 0 does not belongs to this set, only positive real numbers belongs to this set. So this set is bounded below, this set is not bounded above. So supremum does not exist because this set is not bounded above. Supremum does not exist. 3. It is bounded below, therefore its infimum exists. Infimum of S is equal to 0, but infimum of this set is does not belongs to the set S. This shows that infimum or supremum, if it exists, then it may or may not belongs to this given set. So these are the conclusions of this set. This set is not bounded above, this set is bounded below, lower bound is 0, upper bound does not exist because it is not bounded above. Infimum of S is 0 and infimum of S does not belongs to this set because this is open interval. If it is closed interval, then 0 should belongs to this set. Now example number 4. Example number 4. S2. X belongs to R such that 0 is less than x is less than 1. That is all real numbers between 0 and 1. First understand this set. S2 is nothing but all real numbers in between 0 and 1. Not including 0 and 1, excluding 0 and 1. This set can also be written as 0, 1. So this set is bounded above, this set is bounded below. Therefore supremum and infimum must exist. So supremum of this set is 1, infimum of this set is 0, but both supremum and infimum does not exist in this set. So first, supremum of S2 is 1 and 1 does not belongs to this set S2. Second, infimum of S2 is 0 and 0 does not belongs to this set S2. This is bounded above. Third, bounded above and upper bound is 1. Fourth, bounded below and lower bound is 0. We know that if the set is bounded above, then it has infinite number of upper bounds. If the set is bounded below, then it has infinite number of lower bounds. So these are 4 concepts in this example. Now consider the set example number 5. Example number 5. X belongs to R such that 0 is less than 1. That is the set of all real numbers between 0 and 1 and including 0 and 1. This set can also be written as closed interval 0 1. So see this set, it is bounded above, it is bounded below, therefore its supremum is exist, the infimum of this set is exist. So upper bound is 1, lower bound is 0, supremum of S is 1 and 1 belongs to the set S, infimum of this set is 0 and 0 belongs to the set S. So supremum and infimum both belongs to this set. So now largest element is 1, smallest element. Yesterday I have given the definition of largest element and smallest element. Smallest element is 0. So now consider another set, example number 6. Example number 6. X belongs to Q such that 0 less equal X less than equal Q. Now in earlier example we have given the elements in set of real numbers. आता या example मध्ये आपण काय घेतोय? Set of all rational numbers between 0 and 1. So we can write this set as intersection Q. That is the set of all numbers including 0 and 1 and between these 0 and 1 set of all rational numbers. That is set of all rational numbers, set of all rational numbers between 0 and 1, between 0 and 1 and including 0 and 1. So this set is bounded above. Upper bound is 1, lower bound is 0, supremum is 1, infimum is 1, infimum is 0, belongs to set S. This belongs to set S. Largest element, greatest element 1, smallest element, this is 0. So या दोन सेट मध्ये कंपॅरिझन केलं तर या ज्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत त्याच या सेटच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत. तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व करू शकता त्याचा अपर बाउंड 1 आहे, याचा पण अपर बाउंड 1 आहे. त्याचा लोअर बाउंड 0 आहे, याचा पण लोअर बाउंड 0 आहे. त्याचा सुप्रीमम 1 आहे, याचा पण सुप्रीमम 1 आहे. त्याचा इन्फिमम 0 आहे, याचा पण इन्फिमम 0 आहे. त्याचा लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट 1 आहे, याचा पण लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट 1 आहे. त्याचा स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट 0 आहे, याचा पण स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट 0 आहे. पण काय केलं आहे आपण, इथं 0 आणि 1 मधले सगळे रिअल नंबर्स घेतले होते. मध्ये त्याच्यामध्ये रॅशनल पण आले आणि इरॅशनल पण आले. पण या सेटमध्ये आपण काय केलं आहे, याच्यामध्ये इरॅशनल्स घेतले नाहीत. फक्त 0 आणि 1च्या मधले इन्क्लुडिंग 0 अँड 1 काय घेतले आपण, रॅशनल नंबर्स घेतले. सो दिस वॉज द एक्झाम्पल. नाव another example, 6th example. Now 6th example, S4 is nothing but 1 by n. n belongs to natural number. या सेटमध्ये कसे एलिमेंट्स असतील, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6 ... बरोबर. नाव दिस सेट इज, सगळ्यात मोठा एलिमेंट कोणता आहे या सेटमधला, 1 आहे. सो दिस इज बाउंडेड अबोव, अपर बाउंड इज 1, लोअर बाउंड इज. नाव हे आपण एक लक्षात घ्या, 1 by 2 हे कुठे चालले, टेन्स टू कुठे चालले, 0 कडे चालले. दॅट इज लिमिट n टेन्स टू इन्फिनिटी 1 by n, इट इज नथिंग बट 0. जसं जसं आपण n ची किंमत वाढवत जाऊ तसं तसं ही सिक्वेन्स कुठं चालली आहे, 0 कडे चालली आहे. सो त्याचा लोअर बाउंड इज 0. पण 0 या सेटमध्ये आहे का, नाही. सो सुप्रीमम ऑफ S4 इज 1, बिलॉंग्स टू द सेट S4, आणि इन्फिमम ऑफ S4 इज 0, डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू S4. याला लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट आहे का, आहे. ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट, ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट इज 1. ह्याला स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट आहे का, नाही, कारण 0 या सेटमध्ये नाही. सो हे एक्झाम्पल समजले असतील असं मला वाटतंय. आजचा आपण लेक्चर इथंच कन्क्लूड करूया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. सो थँक्यू.